Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today I'll show you how to make juicy, soft, spicy and tasty chicken tikka. But before we get into today's video, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. First, let's start by marinating our chicken. Here I have 350 grams of boneless chicken that I have cut into bite-sized pieces, adding 3/4 cup of curd to it, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, cumin powder half teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon as per taste, ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoons, garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Give this a good mix. With this chicken, I'll be showing you how to make chicken tikka in oven and on a tawa without a tandoor. After you have mixed everything well, cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes. You can leave this on the countertop too, but I recommend refrigerating the chicken as it will give you a tender and juicy chicken. After 30 minutes, take skewers and arrange the chicken pieces on the skewers as I'm showing you. Don't worry if you don't have skewers, you can use a toothpick as a skewer or just shallow fry the chicken to get a juicy and tasty chicken tikka. Arrange the chicken pieces as close as you can. First, I'll be showing you how to make this chicken tikka in oven. I have lined this baking tray with the parchment paper or baking paper. Now arrange the skewers as I am showing you. Now place this in a preheated oven and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. As this chicken tikka is getting ready, let's make our tawa chicken tikka. To make tawa chicken tikka, place a tawa on medium flame and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to the tawa. We will be shallow frying the chicken tikka. Arrange the skewers as I am showing you. Fry the chicken from each side for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn the skewer a little and continue to fry the chicken from all the sides for at least 2 minutes. After you are done frying the chicken from all the sides, increase the flame to the highest and smoke the chicken on the tawa to get a good smoky flavor. This will take not more than 10 minutes. And I would say tawa chicken tikka will be the juiciest and softest chicken tikka you'll ever eat. On the other side, oven tikka will be a little on the drier side as we won't add any fat while making the baked chicken tikka. Here our tawa chicken tikka is ready. Serve with some green chutney or ketchup and enjoy. Just let me pull apart a piece. So soft and juicy. 20 minutes are up by now and our oven chicken tikka is also ready. They smell really good. Pull them out of the oven now. Our baked oilless chicken tikka is also ready now. Do try this yummy recipe at home and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.